Tēnā koutou katoa. Today we're going to look at how you ask somebody where they are from. Nō he koe, where are you from? You'll find a link to this activity in the description panel below. Nō he koe, where are you from? Nō Waitara o, I'm from Waitara. Kei hia koe I noho ana, where are you living? Kei wakatou o I noho ana, I am living in Nelson. Nō he koe he hoa, where are you from, mate? Nō Hāwera o, I'm from Hāwera. Nō hia tō hoa, where is your friend from? Nō o te poti ia, she is from Dunedin. Nō hia o mātua, where are your parents from? Nō Taranaki rāua, they are from Taranaki. Here are some kupu you will find in the activity sheet. Ia, rāua, mātua, hoa, tō, o. I hope you found this video helpful. You will find other videos like this on YouTube under EduCost links. Ka kite anō. See you again.